850 square kilometers, maximum efficiency. Located just 5 degrees north of the equator, it turns Earth's rotation into a fuel-saving powerhouse, slashing fuel needs by up to 20%. Precision that redefines space launches worldwide. Completed in 1968, the Guiana Space Centre in French Guiana was once deemed visionary. CNES, the developer, pushed boundaries. Over 10 countries now collaborate here. Its strategic location near Kourou slashes fuel needs, optimizing global space missions efficiently. Launched in 1964 by CNES, Guiana Space Centre harnesses Earth's rotation for efficiency. Its equatorial position lowered launch costs drastically. Without it, global satellite deployment would face higher expenses. Could this location be the secret to the future of space exploration? Guiana Space Centre covers roughly 850 square. It has multiple launch pads, akin to a small city dedicated to space missions. Over 10 countries contribute, making it a global hub for collaboration and scientific advancement. Building in Kourou's jungles posed monumental hurdles. Engineers battled torrential rains and unstable soil geotechnics. Utilizing deep pile foundations and advanced weather prediction systems mitigated risks. Yet, complete immunity against nature remained elusive. Could engineers develop a launch system immune to nature's chaos? Engineers addressed humidity with breakthrough composite materials. Carbon fiber reinforced polymers counter corrosion effects. These materials resist environmental stress in tropical conditions. The team's solution secured rocket equipment longevity. Innovative composites keep launch operations stable in French Guiana, ensuring mission success globally. Construction began in 1964. Dense jungle was cleared, sparing local ecosystems. Logistics required coordination of resources across French Guiana. Powerful machinery transported to the site. A major challenge was moving heavy equipment via limited road infrastructure, resolved by innovative routing solutions. In 1972, heavy machinery struggled across French Guiana's dense terrain. Logistics were strained. Engineers from multiple nations debated feasibility. Unforeseen delays tested patience. Would international collaboration collapse the dream of this equatorial advantage? In 1964, construction began with over 1,700 workers. They hailed from varied nations, working in Kourou's remote jungles. Day and night shifts rotated. Harsh conditions tested resilience in jungle camps, but collaboration kept progress steady. Thousands of tons of steel, concrete in massive volumes. Sourced globally, each material crossed treacherous terrain. Installed meticulously, these materials laid the groundwork. Over 850 square kilometers of cable connected French Guiana's ambitious space endeavors. Construction forever shaped the region. The Guiana Space Center's engineers pioneered unique flame deflection systems. Mobile service gantries, essential for tropical climates, streamline rocket assembly and maintenance. These innovations, first employed here, are now standard, enhancing global launch efficiencies. In 1964, engineers faced disaster near Kourou. A geological surprise led to a critical structural collapse. Redesigns solved the instability, reinforcing structures. Engineers innovated relentlessly despite setbacks. How did engineers overcome this unforeseen geological surprise? Control rooms hum with energy. Massive screens display live telemetry. Engineers monitor data streams, adjusting parameters to perfection. Underground passages echo with mechanical sounds, while machinery rooms maintain a cool 20 degrees Celsius, ensuring optimal equipment performance. In 1964, lush forests near Kourou were cleared for construction. Over 10 countries collaborated, transforming approximately 850 kilometers. Wildlife reserves emerged, shielding native species. Criticism persists over displaced ecosystems, debating if progress justified environmental alterations, despite mitigation efforts. Initial budgets were millions. Construction began in 1964. Geopolitical shifts caused cost overruns, yet the Guiana Space Centre created thousands of jobs and boosted local GDP significantly. Was it worth it? Arguably, the economic returns justify the costs. The Guiana Space Centre's creation catalyzed unprecedented economic growth. Before 1964, Kourou's population was under 1,000. Today, it's over 25,000. Technological development skyrocketed, and international collaborations flourished. Over 10 nations now engage with this pivotal launch site. The Guiana Space Center's location leverages Earth's rotation, drastically reducing fuel. It influenced mega projects like India's Satish Dhawan Space Centre. It stands as a premier site, hosting launches by Arianespace since 1979. Upcoming advancements include reusable rockets by SpaceX and expanded launch facilities. CNES plans significant growth. Potential threats, rising global competition. Future launches might redefine space missions, keeping the center vital for years to come. On April 3, 2017, near Kourou, a scientist gazed skyward. The horizon blurred between jungle and ambition. Beneath their feet, 850 kilometers square testified to decades of labor, whispered stories of every builder. Silence followed as another rocket claimed the sky. Witness grand engineering in French Guiana. Over 10 countries push space frontiers. What year did construction begin projects?